building a process template in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to save your standard brew parameters by style so every batch starts pre-filled instead of typed from scratch. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Process Templates from your dashboard. Process Templates. Save your standard brew parameters by style so your team doesn't re-enter mash temps, fermentation targets, or timing every time they start a batch of the same style. Click New Template and name it after the style it covers, West Coast IPA or Session Lager. Then enter your standard parameters, mash temperature and duration, boil time, fermentation temperature range, and expected duration. If you track dry hop or secondary additions on a schedule, add those steps here too, with their timing relative to the start of fermentation. Set your target gravity range so I can check completed batches against it automatically. Save when the template's complete. From now on, when someone starts a new batch of this style, they pull in this template and get every value pre-filled. That's what keeps every batch of that style consistent with the last.